Hi, in this video, I wanted to show you how you could use the PipeCat iOS client in your apps to talk to the Gemini Multimodal Live WebSocket API. So we'll do that by configuring a voice agent to help us plan our next vacation. Here we're looking at a section of code in the demo app where we actually configure and start the voice client. You can find a full demo app on GitHub at the URL right here. So we're going to start by setting up our options object. It is of type RTVI client objects options. So we'll start by specifying enable mic true, which tells us that we want the mic to come on automatically as soon as we connect to the voice agent. So note that this is actually the default behavior, but I just wanted to show this just to be perfectly explicit. Now let's set our parameters. So what we're doing here, we're configuring the LLM. So as an aside, I just wanted to mention that the PipeCat client can also be used to coordinate with a PipeCat powered voice agent running on the server. And PipeCat on the server lets you string together various different services, only one of which might be the LLM service. So that's kind of why the options are structured like this. But when using the Gemini Live WebSocket API, we're only concerned with the LLM service. So let's specify our options. So here we're specifying the API key, which we have passed to us as a variable here. Note that you should really avoid storing this key anywhere in your app. In a real world application, you'll probably want to do something like fetch it from your own server. And now let's specify the initial LLM prompt. So let's do this as a user message. The alternative would be system. And the message will be, bear with me as I copy it from elsewhere. You are VacationBot, a friendly, helpful robot. Your goal is to help me plan my next vacation. So let's use that. Okay, now let's instantiate the client itself using the options that we specified above. We're going to use the Gemini Live WebSocket transport. Here's where you could use an alternative transport, such as daily, if you were talking to a PipeCat powered server and wanted to use WebRTC. You would want to specify a delegate, so we receive lifecycle events like, on connect, on bot ready, etc., which is usually you're going to need for your apps. And now it's just a matter of starting. And let's just ignore the result for now, but you could handle it in your apps. So let's run it.
Hello, I am VacationBot, and I'm excited to help you plan your next vacation. I'm ready when you are, so tell me, where do you want to go?
Maybe a beach somewhere, something tropical.
Okay, so you are looking for a beach vacation?
You know what? Actually,
Wonderful.
maybe a mountain.
Got it. A mountain vacation might be what you're looking for. What kind of activities are you hoping to do on your trip?
Oh, you know what? I love skiing.
All right, skiing sounds like a lot of fun. Have you ever been to the Rocky Mountains?